Good day everyone. So meron tayo dito isang problem about triaxial test. So kung di nyo pa napapanood, meron akong previous video patungkol sa topics under triaxial test. And guys, panoorin nyo na lang. So the problem states that the normal and shearing stresses at failure plane in a triaxial test of a normally consolidated clay are 50 kPa and 30 kPa respectively. Determine the following. Angle of shearing resistance. Ito guys, angle of shearing resistance equal lang siya sa angle of internal friction. Next, angle of failure plane, which is the theta. Ito, angle of internal friction, ito yung angle of failure plane. Major principal stress in kPa. Ano nga ba yung major principal stress? Ito yung maximum principal stress guys. So, ito yung sigma 1. Ano yung sigma 1? The sigma 3 plus change in sigma. Yun guys. So, drinawin ko na guys para mabilis tayo guys. So, ito daw yung normal stress, 50 kPa. Pero, sinabi dito na ito yung nasa failure plane. Saan nga ba yung failure plane? Ito yung failure envelope. Ang failure plane guys, ito. Yan guys, ito yung failure plane. So, ito, tandaan natin yung vertical, ang vertical niyan is the shearing stress. Ang horizontal naman guys is the normal stress. Ayan guys. So, ang normal stress daw is 50 kPa. Saan ba natin nalagay? Ito dito na lang sa baba no guys. So, ito, i-project natin to vertically. Kuha guys. So, project natin vertically. Ito daw is, ang measure is 50 kilopascal. So, itong 30 kPa, ano naman siya guys? Ito naman yung height niya. So, ito is 30 kilopascal. Yan guys. So, ito yung angle of internal friction. Ito yung angle of 2 theta. Pero yung theta is the angle of failure plane. Nasabi ko sa previous explain ko naman sa previous video ko na ito is equal lang sa angle of internal friction. Ito naman is the radius of the semicircle or the circle itself na lecture ko din yan sa past video. So, anong meron tayo na data? Hanapin natin muna yung angle of shearing resistance or the angle of internal friction. So, mapapansin na meron tayo ditong right triangle. Ayan guys. So, kapag may right triangle, madali ang buhay. Ayan guys. So, pwede tayo dito mag-SOHCAHTOA. Ayan, so meron tayong ditong 30 kPa, ito 50. So, alamin natin yung angle of internal friction. So, anong gagamitin natin? Meron tayong opposite and adjacent. So, anong gagawin? Tangent. Tangent of internal friction is equal to 30 over 50. So, ano yung tamang sagot? Tangent of internal friction is equal to 30 over 50. Shift solve lang natin. Anong talabas? So, angle of internal friction is equal to, wait, yan na natin guys, direkta na natin, 30 over 50. Ayan, so 30.964 degrees. Ayan, yan ang tamang sagot natin. So, next, angle of failure plane. Ayan, na-lesson ko to sa previous and TIG-derived din natin. So, meron tayong formula dyan, pinakamadali. Theta is equal to 45 degrees plus angle of internal friction over 2. Ayan, so meron na tayong angle of internal friction. So, madali na lang ang buhay. 45 plus the angle of internal friction, 30.964 degrees over 2. So, what is the angle of failure plane? Divide natin to sa 2. Divide natin to sa 2. Add lang tayong 45. So, 60.48 or 60.5 degrees. Ayan yung angle of failure plane. Pero ito yung 2 theta guys, no? So, 60.5 times 2, 121. So, ito is 121. Gets guys? So, last, major principal stress. Meron tayong 50 dito. Meron tayong 30. Tapos, hanapin natin guys ito, no? Hanapin natin ito. Tapos, hanapin natin ito. So, ano nga ba to? Di ba radius lang to? Half of semicircle. Plus ito, hanapin natin to. X. Paano mahanap? Ito na lang, 50 plus X plus R. That's guys. So, therefore, hanapin natin yung X. Meron tayong ito, angle of internal friction. So, another right triangle. angle of internal friction na 30.964 degrees. Ito, 30. What is x? So, pwede tayo dyan mag-tangent. Tangent 30.964 is equal to opposite over the adjacent. So, what is x? 30 tangent 30.964 times 30. So, 18. 18. So, x is 18. 18. So, radius naman guys. So, ito radius na to, no? So, hanapin natin. So, since right triangle, pwede na tayong mag-recta, no? So, 30 squared plus 18 squared. 34.986. So, radius is 34.986. So, hanapin natin yung sigma 1. Anong sigma 1? Itong length na to. Maximum or principal stress or major principal stress. So, 50 plus x, which is 18, plus r, which is 34.986. So, ano yung major principal stress? Plus 18, plus 18, plus 50. So, answer is 102.986. 102.986 kilopascal. Ayan yung final answer sa last question. Thank you guys.